Women. Women everywhere, sisters with voices.
Yay! Today, O Tracker and a woman launched with Onpassive. Oh my God, I am so excited to be a part of this impressive company. This is going to revolutionize the world,
creating opportunities and given choices. O Women will be beneficial to women worldwide who have been ignored with no one on their side.
Wow. Wow, what a day. Do you see what I'm wearing? Listen, if you're not a founder yet, you really need to look at it. Really. Today was mind-blowing.
Hey, it's Susie McCrae, and Onpassive has done it again with O Women. O Women is going to change the lives of women all across the globe.
Women of every creed and culture sing and shout. O Women will empower women to develop their worth. O Women will help women with hearts of compassion to reach out to others to accomplish their mission, to be recognized for the value we all bring.
I had to go to the store. Oh, look, my crown just about fell off. I had to go to the store. Look what I bought. Ash threw a bombshell at us. It was amazing. He created something he's calling O Woman. And it's a platform for women throughout the world to help women become empowered. Like, this is really, really something.
Hi, my name is Erin Spreen and I reside in Whitecourt, Alberta, Canada, on the west side of Canada by the beautiful Rocky Mountains, Canadian Rocky Mountains. And I joined Onpassive as a co-founder on September 8th of 2020. So this past virtually 8 full months of my life, I have been incredibly blown away by this opportunity to become a founder of this massive IT company. But April 9th, there was a huge announcement, a beautiful, amazing announcement from our dear CEO, Ash Farah. And the announcement was called a new platform for women to share their stories, to raise up the vibration of the world, to create humanitarian work around the world called O Women. Now,
hello everyone, I'm Keiko from Japan. I joined Onpassive on February 8th this year. It's not a surprise to me anymore. Every time I surrendered, something new came. So with Onpassive and O Women.
It's mind-boggling. So I had to put on a crown for O Women, and I had to get myself some flowers to celebrate this day with Onpassive and what Ash Farah has brought out for women, and how he talked about the respect for women.
Ash Farah is putting women on this honorable platform so we can share our stories and uplift the world in our own unique way. Thank you so much. This is the kind of leadership that I am so proud to be learning from.
I was very fortunate to grow up in a loving family with wonderful parents who still happen to be with us. My mom's 90 and my dad is 93. And I was always brought up knowing that we treat each other as human beings. And a lot of people may think that I have a whole bunch of women role models, but I got to tell you, as I was thinking about things, you know who my biggest role model was? My daddy, my dad. My dad was an excellent role model on how he accepted everybody as they were or who they are, nothing to do with race, what sex they were, what religion, what kind of education. My dad makes everybody feel welcome and comfortable in their own skin. When we were younger, there were 7 kids in the family. My mom was worn out. My dad was always taking us out, playing with us, taking us on adventures, having so much fun with him so that my mom could recharge and get a break and catch up on her rest. To this day, whenever a woman enters the room, my dad stands up. A man, my dad, who is strong enough to be sensitive. And I think that that is what Oh Women is going to show.
Since my recovery from illnesses and the massive earthquake with the nuclear meltdown a decade ago already, wow, I've constantly released what the majority would hold on to, meaning the past. I do respect and honor the past, though, including my mother. She struggled all the time, and I let go of the struggle by giving in to Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. I appreciate suffering from my own experience and my genealogy stuck in my body. It's laid the ground to create something new and better. While it's not what we are to dwell upon forever. Otherwise, we'd keep making the same issues over and over. And it sounds like history, but we don't need it anymore.
Personally, why am I so excited is because this past 24 years, I've been developing myself, personal development. I began getting mentored by incredible individuals over my period of time, this past 24 years of my life. But I will tell you that everything is like a jigsaw puzzle. So I'm so excited to see what Oh Women will do for the women around the world. We're going through incredible opportunity, a new era, maybe called a revolution here in the near future. We're already starting to see this, what's going to be happening around the world, and that is the start of Oh Women platform.
The tracker also is going to be able to, will have an ability to track a person. Now, okay, I worked with street kids for 5 years. And, you know, those kids saw stuff. They saw stuff and they struggled. And women struggled. I worked with Aboriginal people. And a lot of the women would, you know, get me in their car. Come on, we're going out to this reserve. I need you to help me. We got to get these kids, or we got to get these clothes. And so when Ash talked about this Oh Woman, that is going to put a dent in kidnapping women, in kidnapping children. This is going to put a dent in things that are contrary to what God has created us to be as women. It's just beyond. That's why I had to put a crown on. It's just beyond words to try to explain what it is and the heart of Ash Mufareh and what he is bringing forward with Onpassive for humanity. It's not, but women, here it is. Here's some flowers. Here's our crown. Ash Mufareh said the value of women and the appreciation that he has for women and how he wants to help. And of course, with women comes children, because that's all a connection. And woo! I'm in my happy dance. I'm in my happy place. So here's some flowers, everybody. Oh, wait a minute. I just about lost my crown. I feel like I won an award. I feel I just feel like I won the lottery. Like, that's how it feels. Like it's
kind of ironic today that I actually share my wonderful shirt, Shine Like a Star, and I think all the women of the world are shining stars.
So much love in this company. Ash and the entire team I am learning by example. This is not an education you can get from books. This is the real deal. For Onpassive, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. The universe, my creator, my sponsor, Ash, the entire Onpassive family, thank you so much.
So Oh Women is going to hit the globe, and I'm just so looking forward to how it's going to impact the life of women, but more importantly, how it's going to have a paradigm shift in the life of men as well. And with this combination, you're going to feel the earth move, and we are going to do great things with Onpassive.
Thank you for honoring all these wonderful women on Earth.